Hey friends, this is Krishna and this is another video about explaining things. How to explain, how to encapsulate those all things in short frames and how to manage those all words within the short period of the work, short period of the explanation, short period of task that will be given to us and kind of shortest kind of the things that I want to disclose with you. And there are included many memories, there are included many experiences that I felt and I experienced in my life, and those things are not teaching. These all are just sharing that I have been telling you since the first video that I shot, and it's all about just sharing. So before start this video, I want to tell you that some stories that I observed and I have seen and I experienced in my life. Those are not valuable for me, and it's not productive for others too. And the first story was a woman who felt very deep about something it's referred about some man. As we celebrated last day, that Valentine Day, and it was also Black Day for us because in 2000, I think 17 18, sorry, 18, there were it was an accident, a Pulwama accident, and there were killed more than 21 soldiers, martyred. And it's been really it is Black Day. And yesterday I just visited a place where people were just also paying homage for them, and they also were some another also were celebrating Valentine Day. So it's kind of different kind of opinions and different kind of lifestyles they are living since they educated and since they working on that. But it's not the topic to decide to talk about. But it's one thing that we need to learn, which is valuable, which is not. And we need to celebrate all those things which is valuable. But I'm not against of Valentine Day, not any kind of these scenario and these acceptance that I accepted. And in my PC videos I have roasted two pupils. It don't take it personal, it's just a video. And when I come on the camera, I do shoot something, and I do deliver all those content that I prepared and which comes to my mouth. But yeah, it should be very it is not like arrow, and it's not pairing anyone's heart. So sorry so sorry for that all if someone got hurt from my words, from my speech, from my everything. But it's all about a video that I told you before started that. But yeah, sometimes I also feel that I don't need to go on that way where people are working because they have not worked in their life, and they did that because they want to get fame. So I'm not doing these all things to get fame. Yeah, if it'll come to me, then I will accept, I will welcome of it. But I'm not doing those all things for to gain fame. But yeah, these things make defame about us because there are people who are working for our life. They want to enhance our life, and they want us to understand that what's the life path, what's the goal of life, and what kind of message we need to spread, what kind of things we need to adopt and apply into life, and what are the approaches been for them. So these all are just ways they have adopted in life, and they did work for that. But what was uh, not great for me, that is we are just following those person whose videos are not spreading anything. It's meaningless videos, and it's those are not productive for us, and we are not learning anything. If somebody is just roasting to another person, then we are getting just we are enjoying those videos, and we are just spreading it like a contagious things. but it's not contagious. We need to understand that what kind of data we need to spread, that should be very valuable for us, where we can learn, where we get some sense from the videos, from the content, from the paper, whatever we are just going to share. Yeah, I also do those things. I'm not against, not in favor of to do, and I'm not imposing anyone to make such things. And what, it's your life, it's up to you. As I told you, it's just a way of explanation, how to explain those things in short time and how them encapsulate. But yeah, so we need to think about those all things that has been shared to us. Okay, is it valuable? If it is productive, then we need to spread it. Then we need to transfer to another friends, another people, to friends, to family members, to everyone. But if it is not working for us, then we need to take it like a useless paper, and we need to stop it. It could be in digital way, it could be in offline mode, online mode, it could be anywhere. But we need to stop it at the end of our thought, at the end of our perception, and the concept that we have designed into our mind. That should be done by us. It's up to us, and we can stop it, those all things. But there are people I'm just seeing, and they are doing their work without knowing. They are also not capable to do those things, but they are just sharing. They don't know, they never read about it, but they are sharing, I have read about it. And it's all the fake news. And it should be done, it should not be done, it should be implemented, it's not should be implemented. Those all things that they never felt in their life, but they are just spreading it like a virus. Yeah, they are touching it to through, they are just clicking through the phone, and they are just sharing with their friends, their family, their members. They are they are just sharing with everyone without knowing that what's the essence, what the mean of that object, that the paper parcel, that the message that they have sent by someone. So they never felt about it. And those all things been valuable for them who are obtaining them. Okay, if I got an email, if I got a notification from anyone, I just checked it out, and I just think about those all the messages, the paperwork, that any, it could be anything. And I just make conclusion, and I just give review about it. And then if it is valuable, and then might be it's not useful for them, where I just send to this. But this was done by us or not, it should be, it should be done by us, because if we are sharing, it could be valuable for them, because you might be influencer for them. So whatever you will share with them, they will think that it's learnable, and they will learn from that. Whether it is working or not, they don't care about it. They will just think that if somebody has shared with them, then it is beneficial. It's mean I have to share with others, without feeling that that would be unsuccessful for others, that would be useless for others, that would be hurting for others. But they don't think about it. They just, if they obtain those paper, they obtain those messages, notifications from influencers, they will share with everyone without having knowledge about that all. So it's not, I'm not saying this is wrong, this is right. It should be decided by you. I'm not one who can tell you what is right, what is wrong, because there is nothing wrong, there is nothing right. But what is essential, that should be understood by us, because everything is not explicable, everything is not explainable. We can't explain everything, we can't explicable those all things that we have not narrated by our thoughts, we have not observed the situation, we have not studied about it, and we have just given decision about it, and we just ask it to share it to everyone. But what we need to share, like, if If somebody is asking us to do what you want to do, it's not mean that this is beneficial and this is working for us. No, but we need to examine those all data, we need to examine those all content which has shared for us and asking to share to others. That should be at least make a review, just write on the paper and make conclusion about it. It would be good for them, it would be fruitful for them, it would be not, then do decide. Until you are not sure about that content, don't share with anyone, don't share with anyone, because if we shares, their aims just increase and their numbers are just increasing, the views number, the subscribers number, everything is just increasing and they are thinking they are doing right things. Whether it is wrong or right, I don't know, but if they are just seeing that the number of viewers are increasing constantly, then they will think they are working right. Okay, like me, if I'm speaking in English uh, and continuously I'm speaking about something, and if I got more than 200 views, I will think that I have to shoot another video on the same topic, on the same subject. It's mean it's working for them, but it's, I'm not sure about it, it's working or not working, but they are just sharing. It's like a contagious thing, then it would be, it's spreadable. And we need to have some a meeting, some topics, we need to have a questions about, we need to stop these all, we need to stop this content spreading things, that we are making a line, we are making some numbers, and we are just increasing the number of views, we are increasing the number of subscribers, and it could be harmful for others, really. So what I'm saying is, we need to just examine those all the content that we have heard from someone. Yeah, many of you would be thinking that if some elders told you to do that, told you to share this, yes, it could be like that, but we need to we make sure that should be beneficial for other. If it is not, if you are in compulsion and you have to share and you need to do this, otherwise they will fire you from your job, then you need to think about it. It's up to you, I'm not imposing those things, and I'm not saying you need to do that, you not need to do that, but make sure this should be productive for others. Okay, like if some I was shared a picture that was nude pictures, and friend told me to share this all with my friends, but I asked him, what's the reason behind it, why I need to share with them, what is the purpose of your picture, what are your purpose about this all. Then he told me that it's only to check what kind of people are around us. So just check if they are asking for another pic in connection with the same pics that I shared with, that I will share with them, then it's mean their the mind process are just stuck in this area, and we need to make it forward for, and we need to just transfer in some another in good area. And I just observed, yes, it is working for them, and it would be beneficial, it would be fruitful for them, but is it right to do that or not? Then I just examined those all things, and I just wrote on the paper, and I calculated all those things, and then I thought that it should be explained through my video. That's why I'm here again, and I'm just making video on this topic. So I'm not saying that you should do that or not, it's up to you, but think before sharing anything. Just think before sharing anything to anyone, because it could be very harmful or fruitful for anyone. It could be anything for him or her, where you are sharing to. But make sure you have read about it. Okay, if someone asks me about any any data that I have read somewhere, that I have found, that I observed in my life, then definitely I say it is not my word. It's I give references for where I just took this away. Okay, but it's not to line up those things. Okay, we need to think, if he or she said right, okay, is it good for others or not? If it is not good, then I won't share with anyone. Okay, if it is good for me, then I will share and I will try. But in the end of the conversation, I will tell them, this is my thought and this is my opinion, but it is up to you. If you want to keep it, just keep it, otherwise just delete it. Okay, then they will think, what's the reason to say, what's the reason to elucidate about those all things that he or she has shared with me. And in the end of the conversation, he or she is saying that if you want to keep it, just keep it, otherwise just do delete. So those all kind of the process that we are getting from anyone, then we must decide that is it for us or is it for others. That should be done by us. That is only up in our hand. We can't change the world, but we can change our the lines of hands. We can change ourselves. So, if we want to see the changes in the world, we need to change inside, in our side, inside. Then we can explain everything. We can tell to anyone. And if you have read, it's not mean you have read very well. Well, okay, because someone has translated it in their way of thought, in their way of wording, in their sentences, that has been, it might be good for him to arrange in kind of frame, that that one arranged in the frame of sentences. So you must be aware of reading, you must be aware of thoughts. I never said that you need to do that, you have to do that, you should do that. It's my sharing. If you feel that would be fruitful for you, then you can keep it. Otherwise, just throw it into dustbin and just clean it. Because if you have put some dust and trash into dustbin, and then you will see, and I should restore it. Okay, but you would be thinking that no, 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 because I have thrown into throw into dustbin, and I don't want to pick it again, and I just need to burn it out. It's up to you. Just do. If you feel that, just do. All the trash should be clean. Okay, but if you think that that was my mistake that I made, I need to correct those all mistakes that I made before or now, then you can correct them, because you are one, the judge, who can judge about you, on you, because no one know better than us, because we are the one only know much better than others. Who the hell they are, just giving opinion and their ideas, and they are just trying to manipulate us to do those all that they have thought and they want us to do. So this should be decided by us, and this should not be decided by them, because they have their thought and they have their ideas, and they want to impose on us. And many things has been imposed on us, like a gungat pratha, like a burkha, like everything. I don't want to go into detail on it, because it could be very religious and it could be for political issues. So that's why I don't want to go into the detail of it. I have read many things about political reason, religious reason, and the areas of those all things, and the areas and the spheres of the skills, education, everything I have learned and I have read about. There are various things that I learned about those all. But I'm not here to take you to political ways. I'm not here to take you to religious way. I am here only to just sharing about the thing that can be controlled by us. We can make it just we can content it to in the teen, and we can make it frame, and we can make it frameable. But the second thing that I want to share with you, I have a lot of time today. So the second thing is what we have accepted in life and what we want to see in others life. But what kind of the changes we need to see and want to see in their lives, that also accept, that would be acceptable, and that is acceptable or not by them, where we want to see the changes that we made into our mind, and we are just releasing to them. It would lead uh, to hurting, it would lead to healing. It's up to the situation that we made, and if it is is it constructive for them or not, that should be decided by others, not by you. If you are thinking that I want to become a teacher, I want to teach everything, you can't teach anything, because you are, whatever you are releasing through your words, that is your thought, that is your experience, and you are just imposing them. That's about the teaching. Teaching should be the one thing that, have you read, have you felt, have you experienced, then just go with that. Okay, did you feel that? Did you do that? Did you experience that? Did you visit that? Did you visit that? Did you do that? Did you heal that? Did you feel that? Did you see that? So everything should be done by you. I'm not saying if you have read, if someone told you and someone informed you about the situation, and according to my, you need to visit that place, and then you need to tell them. No, no, I'm not saying that. It's a misinformation, if you'll accept it. Okay, I'm saying, if I'm going to talk about politicals area, political ways, then I have to read about it with the facts. Okay, I have some references. If somebody is asking us what should them to do or not, if I have fact, that should be examined before. If it is good, then we need to say that yes, it's good for me, but you need to examine, you need to read about it, and then decide, is it good for you or not. If it is not beneficial for you, if you are looking at like worse things, then please don't share it, don't read about it again, but don't share it with everyone. Okay, because it might be hurting for them, and if someone got hurt, then it will take more than 2 or 3 births to heal, as before, as earlier it was. So don't hurt to anyone through my words. If I'm hurting to anyone, I don't know, if my words are not trying to heal your the wound, then sorry for everything that I explained. But it was my work that I done in my next channel. But that's why I have chosen this channel for sharing only. Okay, and I'm not imposing anything to anyone. If you have decided your life, the way of living your life, how to live or how to not live, and the way comfortable that you have chosen in your life, that is up to you. It's not mine. It's not my business. But my business is that, if I have learned, if I have experienced good things, then I will share with you, but I won't impose on you. Okay, so this should be done at the end of us, and then we need to release it to others. The third thing that I want to share with you all, that is, I don't know it is important for you or not, but the third is very important thing. If we get a learnable channels, learnable story, learnable thing, then we need to share with everyone. But what kind of learnable thing? How we, tell me Krishna, how we can find this is learnable or not? Everything is inside us, okay? You know very well, everything is inside us. The way, the thought, the information that we have gathered by someone told us and we have stored into according to them, then we will think it should be decided by them, and then we are just making mistakes. We need to clear it out, okay? We are making mistakes because we are doing things according to their thought, their information, their process of delivering the content that they have taught us, and we are working according to them. Then we need to decide that it should be at least in our hand, and it should be done by us, not with their thoughts, nor with the process that they have given us. So again we need to examine, the information that we have heard from somewhere, from the TV, from the television, from audio, from someone, from newspapers, from anywhere. We need to examine that is factful or not, that is referring something fruitful, that is not referring something that is essential for us. Then it should be stopped, it should be banned by you, not by the government. It should be banned by you. We can ban our weakness. Weakness refers, according to me, weakness refers that making us feeble, that is imposing and strengthening our weakness. Weakness is just feebleness. We are less capable to do, to mark on that thing. So it should be markable, whatever we are doing. It should be imaginable. It should be in picture queue, whatever we are displaying, whatever we are explaining. It should be in the picture queue so that the listener can imagine it through your words, and they can picturize it in while they are listening. Then they can examine those words, and then they can conclude, and they can take decision from your words, and they can take it to another, and they can also take from one to another, another to another, another to another one. This should be. That's why there are many motivational speakers over there on YouTube, on everywhere. But are they speaking with experience? Have they felt in their life? But what they are saying, the exact mean should be examined by you. What exactly they are saying about the thought, about the process, about the living standard, about the way that they have also adopted in their life. That should be it. If it is done by them, then we need to also think about it. We don't need to go on the way that being told by them. We need to walk on the way that they have told. But before walking, before start walking, before start approaching, we need to think, is it right or not? What kind of rightness should be? Is it factful? Have any references for it? Did he do all things in his life or not? If he is telling, is it fruitful for everyone? If it is not, what kind of words he have delivered in their videos, in their the speech, in their presentation, and the way the way they have chosen, that was right or wrong? That should, everything in each and every deep detail should be examined and checked by you. That is very important for you, and then you can spread it to everyone. And if you get more than 10 answers, then no, it's not for me, it's not working for me, and what kind of data you are sharing with me, so it's very harmful for me, so don't try to share it with anyone, because it's not working for the peoples, and girls are hurting, and people are just getting stuck with those also contents that you have shared with them. You need to stop, you need to take break, you need to take break. What kind of data you are just sharing with everyone, and everyone is not answering to you in that way that you expected from them. So that's why you need, that's why I'm just explaining since I started the video. You need to stop that data, we need to examine that thing, that content that you are going to deliver with everyone. It should be very hard, it should be done by you, because if it is reached to the people that where you wanted to share, where you wanted to make reach, if it has been reached, arrived, then definitely they will think, and they might be think, they would be thinking that this person is not good for us, that should be banned from the people, banned from the government, this should be excluded from the country, that everything, every possibility will come to you, and then you will think, why did you do that? That's why whatever I am just explaining here, I have prepared those all the mind setup, those all the work before a month ago, before I started working on the same area, before going and approaching to that bridge that was built by me, and that I'm not approaching that bridge that is built by another, because they have built that bridge according to their thought, according to their process, according to their work that they have done, they experienced in their life. And it is not a deep experience of us. So we need to be experienced those all the material that we are gathering from someone, and we are telling to others. This is all the way, this is all about the thought that we are just thinking, and we are just gathering here, and we are delivering to another without any perception, without any perseverance, without any expectation from others, and without knowing is it is knowledgeable or not for them, but just randomly, without having knowledge, without getting any sense of sharing, we are just sharing with everyone. Yes, yesterday I got call from someone, I don't know who was that person, and he told me, what kind of video did you made, and there were so many abuse for boys, and how you dare to shoot that video. I told him, when I posted more than 12 videos about knowledge, about everything, about each detail that I have experienced, and it is good about everyone, it is good for each and one and single individual community.